Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I would like to say thanks for watching in this our safe videos. Let's just introduction ourselves. My name is Rohul Amru and
My name is Irwandi and
I am Subhan Nafis.
we will explain how to make one pulse electrical circuit.
Prepare tools and materials such as
Oke Google, tolong
screwdriver,
Oke Google, tolong carikan aku jodoh yang cantik.
cutting pliers, Tong pliers.
Tong.
In CB, 1 pass 2 ampere function as a safety device for overcurrent, and then single switch function to connect or with off electrical in a conductor, and then contact box function server as the actuary of the relationship between electrical device with electricity. And then cable NGM function to deliver electrical energy to sources of electrical loads or electrical devices. And then fitting function like fixture. And then the last board function place all electrical component.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no car.
Okay, here we use NGM cable according to PUIL standard, and this is the way to assemble it.
Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me if it feels alright. Wanna drop it low and break me off? No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so. Push it back on it, bring it back on it. Give me the thing, become a waffle lock on it. Wind it, wiggle it, set the track on it. 2 more shots, now we in a hot panic. 2 girl and I'm ready for jump on it. True to my word, I'm ready for jump on it. Ready for run on it, ready for dunk on it. Tag team in fire truck, we pump on it. Hands up high, we burning up the sky. We got the dance bar crazy, got the club on fire. I like the way you dance, you got me in a trance. My baby, she don't mind at all. Girl, I got you so wanna come for the ride, let's win it all, win it all, win it all, win it all. Let's go! She don't mind, girl. Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me if it feels alright. Wanna drop it low and break me off? No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so high, and I know you.
Okay, thanks for watching our video. I hope this video is useful for you all. And I apologize if something goes wrong. Okay, see you later. Goodbye.
Yeah.
So come on, push it on